Well, a very good afternoon to you. This is One to One with me, Kath Cannaville, this Thursday here on BCB 106.6 FM. And I'd like to introduce you to Soulman RDC Soldier, who is a Congolese rapper musician. Welcome to the programme. How are you doing?
I'm alright. How you doing, Kath?
I'm good. I'm very, very well. Now, it's a special welcome because I've been trying to get you in the studio for a while. Not in the least because I know your material, I know exactly what you sound like, and I also know that it's very powerful. It's a rebel without a cause, isn't it?
Yep.
Except with a cause in this case.
Exactly. Message, of course.
So, welcome to BCB. Now, firstly, Patrick, were you actually born in England or were you born in the Congo?
Yeah, I was born in the Congo. I arrived in 2002 and went to college and lived there for a while.
Mm-hmm.
And I learned a lot of things about in my past and compared England to my country. There's a lot of differences between the two countries. So it makes me to have more, because I've experienced a lot in Congo, the war, the poverty, and all the experience, and that influences, helps me to write my music and what's going on in Congo.
Now, when you were growing up in the Congo, how old were you when you actually left the Congo?
I was 16.
Okay, so when you were growing up in the Congo and there's all this war going on, this famine, there's people proper suffering, what did that feel like as a child? Because as a child you're supposed to have fun.
Yeah, it's hard, it's difficult when, especially down there, you see there's a lot of child soldiers, and there's a lot of killings, and these people living without families, they lost their families, and the women, the sisters, they get raped and all that. That's why it's like we're trying to get something different to, it influences people to do something different. When you come in the UK, there's a lot of opportunities, and they see there's a lot of people, you don't take the opportunity. So basically, that's why we try to get something different in music and try to let people know what's going on, raise awareness about what's going on in Congo.
For people who don't know what's been going on in the Congo, I only know bits myself, to be honest with you. What has been over the last, since you were, let's say over the last 10, 15, 20 years, has it got better? Is it something that people still don't talk about so much?
I think what's going on in Congo has been going on since back in the days when Congo for a second. The Belgian king went to Congo for the robber and killed 10 million. It's like the colonization about everything. So things are still the same since then. And the politicians, especially the dictators, they're still in power and they don't really do nothing for the people. There's election coming, but we just hope that things will get better.
With the elections?
Yeah.
Now, do you trust the elections?
I don't really trust none of them because basically now we got since the second came, we killed 10 million for the robber, and Mobutu was there, he killed 3 million, and Kabila was there, and this other guy is there, he called himself president, and he did nothing for my people really. And then we got 20 million killed, 62 million population, we got 20 million killed, 42 million. So people are dying every day, and we just want to do something like that's why I see BCB radio and your cards and my music especially. I just did it just to let people know what happened in my life. So to let people the feeling and what things I've been through.
Now this is one sort of video. Has life changed dramatically, or is it? I mean, you still have family in the Congo? Do you still worry about that?
Yeah, I still got a lot of friends there, but I worry about them because they left me a long time ago. But, so it's I said they have been here for 10 years. Things are not difficult. Things are not easy. Especially you have to get through it. You have to make sure that you normal things. That's why I'm still waiting for the decision. It's kind of hard. You meet people that want to do wrong, and you meet people that want to be involved with crimes and all that. And it's not only me, there's a lot of people come from difficult places, so they don't allow them to do stuff. You're not allowed to study, you're not allowed to work, you're not allowed to do anything. That's why I decided to do my music, so I can tell people, to let people know what's going on. I know this album I did in French because I'm trialing MC. I do speak French, English, and Lingala. This album is in Lingala. The first song is I Love Congo. The reason why I made this song is to let people know that the reality about life and trying to help.
That sounds really, really good. We'll have a listen to that. What's the track called?
The track called I Love Congo started with the introduction in French, King Leopold II. Obviously, he's saying the colonization when it came to Africa. Basically, I know there's a lot of foreigner here who listen to it. I know the English people don't listen really, they don't know French, but the King Leopold II before the colonization, before they went to Congo, and he was talking about what he was planning to do before he went there. So he was talking about how these people down there, those people, they know God, and we have to use the Bible and go to lie to them.
So just totally changed everything that people had known.
Yeah, change everything and go there, and, you know, for his own profit, for Belgian profit, and kill 10 millions, and, you know, that's why I made it song I love Congo no matter what, you know, originality. UK is a nice place to live, and freedom of speech. That's why I came here, and, you know, I'm expressing myself to let people know what's going on.
You go. Brilliant. I'm just going to move this a bit because...
Le but essentiel de votre mission n'est point d'apprendre au moins à connaître Dieu. Ils le connaissent déjà depuis leurs ancêtres. Ne l'invitez jamais à manger avec vous, même s'il égorge pour vous une poule ou un coq, chaque fois que vous arrivez chez lui. Bref, lorsque vous aurez accompli tout cela, notre pays, la Belgique, sera très riche, et c'est plus tard seulement, lorsque les Noirs auront compris que nous essayerons de les aider pour l'amour de Dieu, car on ne réveille pas un chat qui dort. Je vous en remercie vivement. Le roi des...
This song is dedicated to all the victims of war in the Republic Democratic of Congo.